Hello dear students, welcome to your math class. Today we will discuss about Roman numerals. The numbers which we use for counting are otherwise called as Hindu-Arabic numerals. In ancient time, Roman people used some letters for counting. These letters are known as Roman numerals. Let us learn how to write Roman numerals from 1 to 100. Roman used 7 symbols to form the numbers. These are the 7 symbols they used to make the numbers. The symbol I represent the number 1. Symbol V represent the number 5. The symbol X represent the number 10. Symbol L shows 50. The symbol C shows 100. The symbol D shows 500 and the symbol M shows 1000. I repeat, they use 7 symbols to make the Roman numerals. These are the 7 symbols. I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. They combine the symbols and make the numbers. They followed some rules while combining the symbols. Let's see what are the rules they used to combine. The first rule is rule of repetitions. According to this rule, symbols I, X, C and M can be repeated at 3 times maximum. That means this symbols, while writing the numeral, this symbols we can repeat it, but maximum we can repeat 3 times. Repetition means additions. If you are repeating the symbol, that shows that we have to add this values. For example, if I write I, that shows that I plus I, that is the value of I is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So I shows 2. The same way, symbols V, L and D cannot be repeated. The symbol which shows the value of 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated. The second rule is rule of addition. This rule says that a smaller numeral written to the right of a numeral of greater value means addition. Look at this example. Here I have written two symbols. One is the symbol V, which represents 5, and the symbol I, which represents 1. Here this symbol I have written on the right side of V. That is, this lesser value I have written on the right side of a greater value. That means we should add this number. So 5 plus 1, 6. So VI shows the value 6. Let's see one more example. Here I have written LX. L shows 50, X shows 10. So the lesser value I have written on the right side of the greater value. So we should add these values. So 50 plus 10, 60. So LX shows 60. The next rule is rule of subtraction. According to this rule, a smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of greater value means subtraction. This rule is just opposite what we have learned in rule of subtraction. If you are writing the less value on the right hand side, we should add it. If you are writing the lesser value on the left hand side, we should subtract. Look at this example, Ix. Here the value of I is 1. Value of X is 10. Here the lesser value or the smaller value we have written on the left side. So that means we should subtract. So we have to subtract the value of 10. We have to subtract 1 from the value of 10. So 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. So Ix shows 9. Now the next step is I can be subtracted only from V and X. the symbol I can be write only on the left side of V and X. So IV, that is 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. IX shows 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. The same way, symbol X can be subtracted only from the next two numeral, that is L and C. So we can write XL and XC. That shows XL means 50 minus 10, that is 40. XC means 100 minus 10, which is equal to 90. And the symbol C can be subtracted only from the next two numeral, that is D and M. So CD, which shows 400, and CM shows 900. Children, it is difficult for you to remember all these rules. So we learn how to write the Roman numerals in an easy way. For this, first you have to know what are the values of each symbols. We already discussed the I4 1, V4 5, X4 10, C4 100, L4 50, D4 500 and M4 1000. So first you have to practice it, the symbols and its values. After that we have to learn how to write the numbers from 1 to 10. Let's see how to write the numbers from 1 to 10. For this, you know that 1 is represented by the symbol I. Now to write the number 2, we use I. Here we use the symbol, here we use the rule of repetition. Now 3, we use the symbol I in 3 times. I for 3. Now to write the 4, we know that to write the 4 we cannot use symbol I for 4 times because any symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So we will use the next symbol. Next symbol is V. We want to subtract 1 from the symbol because the value of V is 5. We want to subtract 1 from the number, mean we should write the smaller value before the greater value or in the left hand side. So I will write here. So IV shows 4. Now for 5 we use the symbol V. For 6 we use the symbol VI. Here we use the rule of addition. So 5 plus 1. Smaller value if you write on the right hand side shows addition. Now 7 VII. 5 plus 1 plus 1, like that. Now 8 VIII. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And 9, again we cannot repeat more than 3 times. So we use the next symbol. Next symbol is 10. 10 minus 1. Minus 1 means one should write it before, that is to the left side of this. So 1, the symbol for 1 is I. So I we wrote on the left hand side. So 10 minus 1, 9. And you know how to write the symbol 10, that is X. So I'll repeat. You have to practice this one first. I for 1, I for 2, I for 3, IV for 4, V for 5, VI for 6, VII for 7, VII for 8, IX for 9 and X for 10. Now let's see how to write the number 20 in Roman numeral. Look at here, I have written 20 as XX. XX means 10 plus 10, that is 20. The same way the number 30 we will write XXX. So we repeated the X 3 times. So that shows 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. Now the number 40 cannot be write as X, X, X and X because we cannot repeat any symbol more than 3 times. So we took the next symbol L, which value is 50. 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 gives the 40. If you want to subtract, the smaller value should write left side. So the x should be right left side of the L. So for 40 we will write XL. Then 50, the symbol is L. And 60, here LX. I have written LX. LX means 50 plus 10. So 60. Now 70, 50 plus 10 plus 10. So LXX. Now again 80, 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So LXXX. Now again 90. We cannot repeat more than 3 times the X. So we took the next symbol. Next symbol is C. That is for 100. How to get 90? 100 minus 10. If you want to subtract, what we should do? We should write the subtracting symbol on the left hand side of it. So this is a 100, the symbol for 100. We write the 10 on the left hand side of it. So for the 90, the symbol is XC. The numeral is XC, and for 100 C. If you know the number from 1 to 10 and if you know these numbers, it is very easy to write all the numbers from 1 to 100. Let's see how to write the rest of the numbers in Roman numeral. Now after 10, the next number comes 11. So it is very easy to write the 11 with the help of these numbers. Look at here. You know that 11 means 10 plus 1. So what is the symbol for 10? Symbol for 10 is X. Symbol for 1 is I. So 10 plus 1. You got 11. So 11 we can write as XI. Now for 12. How to write 12? 12 means 10 plus 2. The symbol for 10 is X. Symbol for 2 is II. So XII shows 12. Now 13 means 10 plus 3. So XIII for 13. Now for 14, XIV for 14. For 15, XV for 15. Now 16, 10 plus 6. So XVI. For 17, XVI. For 18, XVI. For 19, 10 plus 9, XIX. 19 will write as XIX. X, this is 10, this is 9. So 10 plus 9, 19. And the 20 we already learned, XX. The same way we can repeat it the 21, 22. So for 21 we will write 20, you know the symbol. 20 plus 1 is 21, right? So the symbol for 20 is XX. For 1, I. So 21 will write as XXI. Now how to write 22? XXII. 23, XXII. 24, XXIV. It continues like that till 100. Now if you want to write a number like 55. I want to write a number 55 in Roman numeral. You know that 55 means 50 plus 5. What is the symbol for 50? L. What is the symbol for 5? V. So LV shows the 55. Look at another example. 89. You want to write the 89 in Roman numeral. 89 means 80 plus 9. What is the symbol for 80? We already learned the symbol for 80 is LXXX 3x. L and 3x is the 80. This is 80. And for the symbol for 9, the symbol is IX. So for 89 we will write LXXX IX. Look at another example. If you want to write the number 74. So 74 means 70 plus 4. Symbol for 70. L, X, X. This is the numeral for 70. And for 4, I, V. So 74 we will write like that. So we learned how to write the numbers in Roman numerals. Now let's learn how to convert Roman numeral into Hindu-Arabic numerals. That means the numbers. Look at this example. Here I have given XCIII. I have given the Roman numeral. We have to write the number for this. So you know that XC, which shows 90, and III, which shows 3. So 90 plus 3, the value is 93. If you feel difficult to find XC as 90, you write value of each symbol. So X shows 10, C shows 100, I shows 1, again I shows 1, one more I for 1. So here 10 after the number comes 100. You know that a smaller value number comes on left hand side. We should subtract. So 10, 100 mean what we should do it? 100 minus 10 we should take it. So 100 minus 10 is 90. Then I, which is repeated. Repeated mean addition. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 90 plus 3, which is equal to 93. This is the way how to convert Roman numeral into Hindu-Arabic numeral. Let's see another example. XLV. Here XL shows XL. The value of X is 10. Value of L is 50. So 10, 50. So a smaller number comes before a greater number. Left side. Left side means subtraction. So 50 minus 10. So the value here will be 40. And the value of V is 5. Smaller number comes on the right hand side. We should add it. So 40 plus 5, 45. Now how to write XCVI? Here also the same. Value of X is 10. Here 100. This value is 5. This value is 1. So here less number comes. So what we will write? 100 minus 10. XC we will write 100 minus 10. Now after that a smaller number comes on right hand side means we should add it. Again a smaller number comes on the right hand side, we should add it. So 100 minus 10, 90 plus 5 plus 1. So 96. So this is the way how to convert Roman numeral into Hindu-Arabic numeral. Hope you learned how to write the numbers in Roman numerals. See you in the next class. Bye.